guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here, and yeah, I'm actually just gonna create like a cute quick look because I have something to go to today for my daughter, so nothing crazy. So I'm gonna use this palette from Glamlite. I haven't used this palette in a minute, so we're gonna use her.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play.
I'm actually maybe just gonna go in with the brown, which is this shade right here. Ooh, let's not show this because over here is messy, so let's not do that. So I'm gonna go into shade chocolate. Oh, right here, like this chocolate, which is this brown. And I'm gonna take a Y211 from Makeup by Yolondo, and we're gonna go in with chocolate. That look gotta be quick. It gotta be quick. And then I'm gonna go into, let me see how key lime looks. I said gotta be quick, and then I'm going in with a bright green, but you know what? Sometimes you just have to go for it. I think that this brush is too big. Let's do a T83 instead. It's still a blending brush, but it's a little bit more compact. And I'm just stamping like so. I don't know what I'm doing. Yep. Again, this look is gonna be quick. I'm gonna use this blush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of glitter like right here. And this is a T77 from Makeup Shack. Okay, what shimmer should we go in with? Let's go with cinnamon. Cinnamon sounds like a name. Like on center stage.
Once upon a time, I took a wrong turn.
I've been up and down this river looking for you.
Well, it's a bit rudely interrupted, but it's good. It's good. It happens that you're recording from home, you know. That's a 214 from Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of strawberry, like right here. Just to blend it up. Just to blend it up. Okay, so that's it for this eyes. I'm gonna go off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. I know I feel so stuffy, and the foundation we're gonna try today is gonna be the I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation from Juvia's Place, which looks like so. I'm actually using my Tarte Clean Set Timeless Poreless Primer. I'm looking for a blush. Okay, we'll use this. This is my Love is the Foundation brush, and we're just gonna go and give her a whirl like this. I feel like this is like a little bit too dark. It's fine, I guess. Again, you can apply your foundation with a sponge. I like to apply my foundation with a brush. I feel like I get more coverage when I do that. Then I'm gonna go in with my One Size concealer. I covered this in my shirt already. I'm supposed to be going somewhere with this shirt, and that definitely is not gonna happen. Like, look at how dirty this is. Like, this is wild. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Was this dark? Okay, and let's blend that concealer. I'm using a 405 brush from Makeup by Yolondo. Usually I do my contour first, but this concealer dries up really fast, so you have to work quickly with it. And then I need another, we can use this. This is a E5 from Morphe. This brush is so good for this. I feel like the best brushes from Morphe is that E line. You know, the Elite, it's like E. There's quite a few brushes in the E line. The only thing is they're a little bit pricier from like the regular Morphe brushes, but you can get them on sale. They always have sale. Always, always, always. See? Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let us set it and forget it. Man, I don't have much time and I feel like my time just like flying. Flying, flying, flying. I'm just using my veil from Mineral Veil from Bare Minerals. I feel like this is not giving me any brightening. I like how I dirty up my shirt and I just wrap it. Like, I just wrap it up, you know, who cares? Man, I'm gonna have to change my shirt because I can't go on the streets like this. And I'm gonna set my face. I need a blush. We're gonna use this with my micro smooth powder. What's the this? What's the this? No, 734. What am I saying? Okay. Let's move to my lower lash line real quick. I'm gonna use this again. This is a powder from one side, but I like to use it for my bronzer. I'm not really heavy contouring today. I'm just bronzing. Oh my god! Ignore the shirt. Ignore that shirt, guys. Ignore the shirt. And then I need a little blushy blush. Let's use nude. Oh no, that peach dough from Bare Minerals. Very soft, but that's fine. That's what we're kind of going for today. And then highlighter. Okay, let's finish the lower lash line real quick and then this is good. It is all good. I just did something for my waterline real quick. let's put this. This is from Marc Jacobs, and it's just which shade is this? Which shade is this? Oh my god. Period. That's the shade name. I am literally that person that's always late. But it is what it is. And for my lip, I'm just gonna do some gloss, nothing crazy. Guys, just ignore that shirt because I'm gonna have to change my shirt. So that is, guys, for this video, for this look. I like how this look came out. You know, I know it's something quick and simple, but you know we love quick and simple over here sometimes. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.
Not asking for